Hi there, what's up? I hope you're in a great mood because it's me again, Tony. And today we're going to talk about a very simple strategy that uses just one indicator. Sounds interesting? Then watch this video until the end. But before we get into the strategy, I want to ask you to subscribe to my free community on Telegram. There's a lot of useful information there, from strategies to breakdowns of real trade. Very soon, I'll be releasing a guide on technical analysis for beginners. So join the group so you don't miss it. Let's get started. Today we will use only one indicator during our trading, the RSI indicator. Let's go to the settings. The period we set, for example, 14, means that the calculation will be based on 14 closed candles. In other words, it takes into account 14 candles and their closing prices. We remove the 70 and 30 boundaries and click Save. We rely solely on the median value, which is 50. I open a sell trade right away. In fact, this strategy is very simple. We will open trades based on how the candles are forming. Trades are open when the line breaks through the 50 level. As soon as the line breaks through the 50, we open a sell trade. If the green line breaks through the 50 from below upward, as it did here, we open a buy trade. The first trade was open because we have a candle that overlaps the previous one. Now, there's an attempt to break through the 50 level if we go by the RSI indicator. The first trade closes a good result. Let's look for the next signal. We pay attention to a strong, stable upward trend. I open a buy trade. This is confirmed not only by the RSI indicator, but also by the almost vertically formed candles. This does not mean we should urgently open a trade in the opposite direction. Most often, if the trend is established and stable, it will continue. Imagine you bought something and its value increases every minute, every day. Would you sell it? Most likely not. You should wait for a good offer and only then sell. It's the same thing in trading. If the price of an asset is rising, it is likely to continue for a while. We open the trade based on the overall trend direction and our RSI, which is now moving above the 50 mark. The trade closed with a good result. Let's continue. I open a sell trade. Interestingly, after reaching the 50 level, the price reversed, forming a red candle with a shadow on top. This indicates a price range the market could not break through. Now, we see a mirror reflection below the 50 level. The overall trend is downward. RSI shows a reversal, bouncing off the 50 level. We wait for the completion. Excellent! The trade closed. Let's find another signal. We pay attention to the candle formation. The candle is red. No, it's green now. Excellent. This shows the chart is breaking through the 50 level. Here we open a buy trade. An interesting moment. Until the last second, I thought we would open a sell trade, considering the downward tendency. However, the green line broke through the 50 level, and notice how sharply a strong green candle is forming? I have no doubt this trade will be positive. Yes, that's exactly what happened. The trade closed. I really like the RSI indicator. It's actually capable of a lot, especially when combined with other indicators. I think I'll release a few more videos using it, but you can already find out which indicators work best with RSI. All of this and more is available in my private Telegram group, where I provide training for a limited audience. Unfortunately, I can't give time to everyone, so there are a few spots left. But if you hurry and message me directly, you might still make it. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Be sure to leave your comments under the video. Tell me what you'd like to see next and give it a like. That's all from me. Good luck.